Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about how to create our reverse pulse animation effects by using CSS. In previous video, we learned how to create our pulse animation effects. Now we are going to learn our reverse pulse animation effects. So as you can see that this is our HTML file, our basic ones I already written here, and this is our CSS file. The basic I already written here. So now let's move forward to our CSS file and let's write our pulse class name. As you can see, this is our class name as pulse. So let's start with our pulse. Curly brackets open and close. Let's write position as a absolute here. Now let's give them the top position as a 50%. Then our leg position as 50% and save. Let's open our live server. Let's give them the split screen. So this is our pulse. Sorry, yeah, this is our file. Now we are going to write down our transform here, guys. So let's write down transform as a translate. I'm going to give them both as a 50% here. So let's give them 50%, then 50% as a minus, both as the same one. Okay, x and y angle. Now let's give them the width. So let's give them 50 pixel, then height as a 50 pixel. Now let's give them the background. So let's add hashtag 56FF00, which I already picked here. So as you can see that if you want to give them the border, you can also do that. So let's give them the border as a solid, as the same 56 color. I'm going to give them the same color here. Now let's give them the border radius, guys. So I'm going to give them as a 50%. So it's become circle. Okay. Now I'm going to give them the box size. Box sizing as a border box. Let's give them the shadow here, guys. So let's give them the box shadow. So I'm going to write down our 36 pixel. Then our color. So I'm going to write down this one. Now let's write down our 40 pixel, hashtag 56FF0, then save. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, now let's use our pulse as a before. We are going to use here. Now we are also going to use our pulse as a after. So let's curly brackets open and close. If you want to, let's just give them one column sign. Yeah. Now let's write down our content. So I'm going to write down content as empty here, guys. Now let's write down position. So I'm going to give them the position as a absolute. Then left as a minus 20 pixel. Then top as a, I'm going to write down as a 20 pixel. Then right position. So I'm also going to same as a minus 20 pixel. Then bottom. So according to your need, you can write down here, guys. Okay. Now let's give them the border here, guys. So let's give them 2 pixel solid and give them the color. So as you can see, this is how it look like. Now let's give them the border radius as a 50%. So as you can see, now let's write down our pulse after. Curly brackets open and close. I'm going to give them the animation here, guys, as a delay firstly. So I'm going to give them 1 second. So firstly, let's I give them the animation here, guys. So I give them the name as a animate 2 seconds. I choose as a linear infinite, then save. So now let's give them the keyframes. So I'm going to give them the keyframes, guys. So let's write down our name, our animate, curly brackets open and close. I give them 0%, curly brackets open and close. Then I'm going to use our transform as a scale 1.5. So here, as you can see that, guys, this is our reverse pulse animation effects, guys. In previous video we learned how to create pulse animation effects, and this is our reverse pulse animation effects. Okay, so if you have any query, write down in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, and for the source code, also write down your email ID in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.